Hello everyone and welcome to Centrestack. In today's session, I'm going to show you how an administrator can give ownership of a published team folder to another user in Centrestack. When an admin gives ownership of a team folder to another user, that user is able to do more administrative tasks to that team folder, such as publishing it to other users with more advanced settings. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. We're currently logged in as an admin in our web portal, and I am going to use my Azure folder, which is already published to a user. So I'm going to go ahead and right click and show you. Select publish as team folder. As you could see, it's published to user 1, and right now this user only has read and write permission. The ownership box is not checked. I'm going to go ahead into another browser where I'm logged in as user 1 and show you this user has no ownership right now. So the Azure team folder is published and you see team folder, and you have a few more team folders. But if you look in the right pane, you do not see the team folder options right now because this user does not have any ownership to any team folders. When we go inside the published team folder, since it's published, this user is able to upload file, upload folder, create more folders in here. And when you right click on a file, the user is able to edit the file, open it as a default viewer, has the option to download, rename the files, delete the file, share it, copy and cut, but does not have the option to publish it to more users. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the admin's web portal from another browser. And now I'm going to go ahead and select my Azure team folder again, and I am going to right click, select publish as team folder. And now, along with read and write, I'm going to give user 1 the ownership. So I'm going to check the owner box and click apply. Now I'm going to go into other browser. I'm logged in as user 1. I see my team folders tab in the right pane since we gave it ownership, and you see this user has only Azure folder ownership. You don't see any other team folders ownership here. So I'm going to go ahead and select on the edit, and now this user is able to add more users. So I'm going to go ahead and add another user to show you. I'm going to select Jill at CompArt and apply. And you could also add 80 users, and I'm going to click on the advanced setting tab to show you once this user has ownership, and this user can enable these settings such as disable further sharing, can create SIF share for this folder, disable offline access, and also can configure don't show folder. The users do not have permission to access, and can also configure only allow access of the team folder from the following IP addresses, can also set storage quota here, and can also make this team folder as a private team folder. I'm going to exit out. This user can also delete users from the team from the published team folder. So this user is able to do more administrative tasks on the published team folder since this user has ownership to the team folder. And this user can also unpublish it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on unpublish, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And this folder is unpublished now. I'm going to go to the admin's web portal from another browser. When I refresh the browser, now when I click on manage from team folders, we no longer will see the Azure team folder because it was unpublished by the other user. And this is how an admin can give ownership of team folders to other users in Centrestack. Thank you.